In this video, you'll learn how to factory reset a Pixel 5 device if you have forgotten the password. By following these steps, you will restore your device to its original factory settings, allowing you to regain access to your phone. First, ensure that your Pixel 5 is completely powered off. To do this, press and hold the power button until the power offs appear on the screen and then select power off. After the device is turned off, you will need to press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously. Continue to hold these buttons until the bootloader screen becomes visible. Once the bootloader screen appears, you will see a list of options. Use the volume buttons to navigate through the options. Look for recovery mode and highlight it. After selecting this option, press the power button to confirm your choice. This action will take you to the next step in accessing the reset options. At this point, you may see a screen that displays no command. To proceed, press and hold the power button and then press the volume up button once. This will open the recovery menu on your device. In this menu, use the volume buttons to scroll down to the option labeled Wipe Data Factory Reset. Once this option is highlighted, press the power button to select it. After selecting Wipe Data Factory Reset, you will be prompted to confirm your choice. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the confirmation option and select it with the power button. The device will now begin the process of erasing all data and returning to factory settings. This step may take a few moments, so be patient while the device completes this action. Once the reset process is finished, you will return to the recovery menu. From here, select Reboot System Now using the power button. Your Pixel 5 will restart and you will need to go through the initial setup process. During this setup, you will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. This is an important step to ensure your device's security after the reset. Your Pixel 5 is now fully reset and ready for use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.